Thief ants, scientifically known as Solenopsis molesta, are a type of small, pale-colored ants belonging to the genus Solenopsis. These ants are commonly referred to as thief ants because of their behavior of stealing food from the nests of other ant species. Here in this video are some key details about thief ants. But before this, if you are new to this channel, then subscribe to my channel first. Let's start today's video. Physical characteristics. Size. Thief ants are quite small, with workers typically measuring around 1.5 to 2.2 millimeters in length. Color. They are light yellow to brown in color, making them relatively inconspicuous. Nesting behavior. Colony structure. Thief ant colonies are usually moderate in size, with a single queen and several thousand workers. These colonies can be polydomous, meaning they may have multiple nesting sites. Nesting sites. Thief ants often establish nests close to or within the nests of other ant species. They take advantage of the resources provided by the host colony. Diet and foraging. Thievery. As their name suggests, thief ants are notorious for stealing food and larvae from the colonies of other ant species. Scavenging. In addition to stealing, thief ants also engage in scavenging for a variety of food sources, including dead insects and sugary substances. Habitat. Geographic range. Thief ants are found in various parts of the world, with their distribution spanning across North America, Europe, Asia, and Africa. Nesting sites. They are adaptable and can establish nests in diverse habitats, ranging from natural environments to human-made structures. Interaction with humans. Invasion of structures. Thief ants can become household pests, invading homes and buildings in search of food. They are particularly attracted to sweet substances. Control. Controlling thief ant infestations typically involves eliminating food sources, sealing entry points, and, in some cases, using insecticides. Reproduction. Queen role. The queen is responsible for laying eggs, and the worker ants take care of the brood. Life cycle. Thief ants go through complete metamorphosis, progressing from egg to larva to pupa before emerging as adult ants. Defense mechanisms. Stinger. Like many ant species, thief ants possess a stinger, which they use for defense against predators and threats to the colony. Understanding the biology and behavior of thief ants is crucial for effective pest control measures, especially when they become a nuisance in residential or commercial settings. Thanks for watching my video. Subscribe to my channel for upcoming videos.